And last but not least, because we can't do any of this if we don't eat. And so these are the food beds. This is the job of Mrs. Muhammad. She handles the food. I handle the flowers. And so we have a couple of beds here. This one right here is usually the watermelon bed, belongs to our grandson, Nico. And then another bed over there. And then we come on over, and we're in the process of creating hoop houses with the beds, and then also some cattle panel. We'll talk about that as we, move forward in this process of growing food and growing flowers and doing photography. We'll be talking about all of these things and creating courses for us all to learn more and more about these various activities. Another bed, hoop house, and then over here is those strawberries. So if you haven't had a chance, you can enroll in the course where we do strawberry DNA. So we'll take some strawberries and we will pull out the DNA, and you'll be able to actually see real DNA. So this is the strawberry bed. So these are some of the food beds that we will be utilizing. And I like to also hang usually a hummingbird feeder in this area as well, to be able to photograph the hummingbirds that come by. I put one over here, and then I put one in the tree near our flower beds. So with that, signing off for now. Looking forward to seeing you in our courses, and looking forward to creating even more courses in the very near future.